Welcome to the full review of the HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 5. Are these truly the ultimate AirPods Pro alternative? The FreeBuds Pro 5 sets a new benchmark for Android and beyond, offering lossless high-res audio, 220% stronger active noise cancellation, and S-tier microphone quality. Focusing on ergonomics and comfort, these earbuds are 10% smaller and 6% lighter, weighing just 5.5 grams. They were designed using over 10,000 ear samples and come with 4 silicone tip sizes for an all-day comfortable fit. The charging case features a seamless hidden hinge design and comes in sand white, gray soft matte, or the premium blue vegan leather, which is scratch resistant. The case is also 5.5% smaller. The Dual-Drive Acoustic System includes an 11mm bass dynamic driver for punchy bass down to 10 Hz, and a micro-planar treble driver for crystal clear vocals up to 48 kHz. This is all powered by dual DSPs and dual DACs. Experience lossless wireless audio with L2HC 4.0, delivering a 2.3 megabits per second transmission rate and 48 kHz/24-bit studio quality, resulting in a wider soundstage and richer detail compared to standard Bluetooth. The world's first dual-driver ANC blocks out 82% of external noise, achieving minus 47 decibels reduction. This is a 220% improvement over the last generation, powered by 400,000 AI noise calculations per second. The adaptive sonic environment offers awareness mode for natural environmental pass-through. Conversation awareness auto-lowers volume when you speak. Adaptive volume adjusts instantly to surroundings with zero static hiss. The microphone and voice isolation is S-tier. It blocks 100 decibels of noise and 10 meters per second of wind. AI processing ensures natural, non-robotic vocals, and it is ranked #1 for call quality by Inside Tech. Enjoy up to 38 hours of total battery life with the charging case. The earbuds provide 6 hours with ANC on and 9 hours with ANC off. They are also IP57, rated for dust and water resistance, making them fully sweat and rainproof. In the flagship showdown, the FreeBuds Pro 5 stands out with S-tier ANC and mic quality, high comfort, and lossless L2HC audio codec, surpassing competitors in key areas. The bottom line highlights the phenomenal dual-driver sound and ANC, industry-leading microphone, and supremely comfortable fit as pros. Cons include the 2.3 megabits per second, lossless feature requiring a modern HUAWEI phone, and the matte charging case being slightly slippery. The ultimate alternative? Yes. The FreeBuds Pro 5 matches or beats AirPods Pro in pure silence, offers vastly superior microphone performance, better multi-platform support, and is the new definitive benchmark for Android users. What do you think? Are these the new kings of ANC? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and check the links in the description for the latest pricing.